Greetings to all, welcome to Station Adolescence. So today we'll be focusing on November 2018 paper 1 O-level revision. So for this revision, changa focus on questions anotinesi vana vazhinji. Tine concepts nema topics anotinesi vana vazhinji. Ndio vachazonge tichifocus now. Right, so after watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Saka kusubscribe pa videos ese this online tutorial, right? Ukasubscribe zvichakubatsira kuti pa every time panongosendwa video online tutorial unokwanisa kureceive a notification ku phone kwako. Ukareceive notification then ukwanisa kuklika uri access kuti ukwanisa kuona ma video in time. Saka tichanga tichibata ma questions anotinetsera vana vazhinji setambotaura. So chatanga ni question number 6. Question number 6 iru mainly focusing on my angles. Tinoona kuti my angles, question number 6 iru focusing on my angles. Saka question je focus on my angles. Vana vazhinji vandivhengike pa my angles. Vanokanganisika pa my angles. Zvinoita kuti ukanganise ma symbols avo. Saka question number 6 yedu isusu we are given right. So question yedu isusu like you are given a diagram. This diagram ramuri kuona ero. This diagram ramuri kuona ero. Saka pa this diagram here pakanzi in the diagram AQ and BS are parallel lines such that PQ is equals to PR, APR is equals to 84 degrees and PQS is equals to 90 degrees. Then she will done this to find PRQ, find QRB, then find QSR. Saka tikatasa leta riri pakati ndodo chagozi pane chi that angle riri pakati. Saka zvatakapiwa diagram redu isusu, this diagram atakapirwa iri, given this diagram right. Saka pa this diagram iri tina isusu tina A, tina B, then tina isusu AB, then tina P there, then tina kumusoro tina R, then kuzasi tina Q, then kuno kutina S, right? Tavatanzi isusu titsvage first thing usoro tsvaga any value. First thing usoro tsvaga any value. You should be able to fill everything mukati umu ozongopika ma answers, right? Saka zvatinofanira kuziva isusu rule number 1, this one is a straight line. So since this one is a straight line, so in order to find the value of R, P, Q, this value, so we have to subtract since it's a straight line, we know straight line is 8 up to 180, so we have to subtract 180 subtracting 84, which is 180 subtracting 84, 180 subtracting 84, which is 96. Since this one is a straight line, we know straight line is 8 up to 180 degree. So since this one is a straight line, we have to subtract 180 subtracting this value to this value, which is 96 degrees. So this side can turn 196 degrees. 96 degrees. Do rule number 1. Rule number 2, we should know isusu kuti since these lines are parallel. So since are parallel, we should know kuti ma parallel lines this forms ma z angle. Anogadzira ma z angle saka atigadzira ma z angle zvakutipa isusu tikwanisa kuziva isusu kuti since are parallel, so which means this one rokugadzira a z angle, so which is since 84, which is here is 84, which is 84 degrees. Then tawana 84, we should also know that my angles they are supplementary, which means they add up to 180. So we have to say 180 subtracting 84, which is 96, which is 96 here, 96 here, 96 here, right? After that, isusu takwanisa kuwana ma angles tarotsvaga isusu ma angles emunhu, but you know here is 90 degrees here, it's 90 degrees here, right? No, it's 90 degrees. Then also we are given that these lines are similar since they are indicated by the two lines, so which means they are similar. So since they are similar, which means these base angles are also similar. So since they are also similar, this one is a triangle. So triangle, we know triangle is add up to 180. So which is this one, this angle are similar. So we have to subtract 180 minus 96 divided by 2, which is 180 minus 96, which is 84. 84 divided by 2, which is 42. So here is 42. Here is 42 degrees. Here is 42 degrees. Then tokwanisa kuwana this angle. This angle tokwanisa kuona, just subtract 84 minus 42, which is 42 here. This one only is 42. Since 42 plus 42 is that one, something like that. Since we have 90, so 90 plus 42 from 180, we can find this angle. So which is 90 plus 42 from 180. Which is 48. We have 48 here. Right. Tapedza fill everything. So kwanisa kuchenda kuma questions edu isusu takuchi answer ma questions edu. Saka we should know and we should be able to apply my laws in my angles, right? Saka isusu tavatanzo isuti fill the angle. Tanziti fill the angle P Q R. So P Q R. So we have P Q R, which is 42 degrees, which is 42 degrees. Then we are also asked to check the angle QRB. QRB. So the angle is Q. So QRB, which is Q is something there. Q, then R. We said Q. QRB. QRB, which is this angle. QRB, which is this angle, which is 96 plus 42. 96 plus 42. 96 plus 42, which is equals to 138. So the angle is 138 degrees. 138 degrees. Then you are also asked to target the angle. Target the angle is also QSR. 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 So the angle QSR. QSR, which is 48 degrees. 48 degrees. This is question number 6. Right. So those who have noted about this question number 6 in order to check my angles. My straight angles, my supplementary angles. Tufano ngachizoziya my z angle. Tufano ngachizoziya my angles anenge similar kuti indicator how. Then you should know this symbol, which is represent 90 degrees. Right. Then isusu again tinenge question number 8. Many specialize on variation. And the variation inotishupa wana wakati wande saka change tichibatsirana pa this question variation. Saka pa variation sezvo muri kuona pa this video roshowa the question yacho variation. So question yacho yakanzi the wavelength W is inversely proportional to its frequency f when f is equal to 90, W is equal to 675 part A yobva yati find an equation connecting f and w, then part B the value of f when w is equals to 500, right? Chatofana kuziva pavariation ngechekuti isusu first thing we have to find the constant. The constant can be either inlet or can be either mainly can be either k or h, or can be also either b or n value from the alphabet, right? So since you are given the wavelength w, so which means the wavelength w, so w is the wavelength, is inversely, since it's inversely, so we have to write the symbol inversely proportional to the frequency f, so we have to say 1 over f. So this denotes the relationship between w and f since it's inverse, so this fraction represents inverse. Alright, so since this fraction represents inverse, at the second step we have to introduce equals here. So when introduce equal here, we have to also introduce the constant here. Alright, so we can just let the constant be k. So since you let the constant be k, so we have to say w is equals to k over f. But this one is not the relationship, right? So since we are given the value of w and the value of f, so we have to find the value of k using the first values given. So we're given w is equals to 675. 675 is equals to k over f we are given 90. So in order to find the value of k, we have to multiply both sides by 90 by 90. So this one. So the value of k, which is 90 multiplied by 675, which is 60,750. So k is equals to 60,750. 60,750. But this is we are given, find the equation connecting f and w. So is this step ngengoti isusu tikwanisa kutsvaga the constant k. So isusu in order kuti tikwanisa kungata kuzonyora isusu the relationship you just substitute the value of k here. So I just substitute the value of k here, so which is 6k is 60,750. 60,750. Which is equals to 60,750. So this is the relationship between w and f. This is the relationship between w and f. So now let's move on. Part B. For part B, we are asked to find the value of f when w is equals to 500. The value of f and w at 500. Not just f and if w is equals to 500. So it's just simple substitution. So 500 is equals to 60,750 over f. So cross multiplication here, since it's a fraction, so we have 500 f is equals to 60,750 divided by 500 both sides in order to find the value of f or to make f substitute formula. So we are saying 6,075 divided by 50. 6,075 divided by 50, which is 121 and a half, or 121.5. So f is equals to 121 comma 5. Right. Second, those are not a super variation. Mainly, I'm just using calculator to make it or to shorten the story. Kuti isusu sekopedza nguva tichingo divide my fractions, but mainly for paper 1 you are required to use your brain, not a calculator, right? For now, this is another question. You notice to pay on our vazhinji, the question number 15 yema logarithms. Question number 15 yema logarithms. So for my logarithms, laws of logarithms. This is if you are asked to multiply, we should add. If you are asked to divide, or if you are asked to divide, we should subtract. If you are asked to multiply, we should add, right? So we are given the question number 15 as shown. Just to go on super picture this video. Number 15, if log A is equal to 3 and log B is equal to 7, calculate log AB. We are given log A is equals to 3, then log B is equals to 7. Alright. So takapira question rakadaita kuti anzi find or calculate log AB. So in order to find log AB, we should know these are conditional logarithms. We call it or we call them conditional logarithms. Another conditional logarithm, they will take a certain value. Like this one, the log A is equals to 3, log B is equals to 7. And the other conditional logarithms, right? So in order to find the log AB, so since this one is multiplication, we should add. But the first thing we have to expand this. Log A times log B. But low, you notice if you are multiplying, should add a log B. But we have log A already. Log A is 3 plus. Then also we have log. We also have log B already. So log B, which is 7. So which is 7 here. So which is 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. So the solution is 10 since they are conditional logarithms. Let's move on. Another question. We have log 1 over B. Right. Since this one is division, we have to separate them. We have log 1 over log B. But you know log 1, we should know my logarithms. Log 1 is equals to 0. Log 10 is equals to 1. Log 100 is equals to 2. Log 1000 is equals to 3. Log 10,000 is equals to 4. Shingo kwizataka ndo ma major laws atofana ngachizoziya kuma logarithms. So log 1 over log B, but this is if you are dividing, we have to subtract. So we are saying log 1 subtracting log B. But log 1, we know log 1 is 0, so 0 subtracting log B we are given 7, so 0 minus 7, which is minus 7. Just know the laws of logarithms. So the answer is minus 7. Then we have part C. Part C you are given log sorry, it's 3, then A, right? Log cube root of A. So first thing we should remove or apply the law of indices. So we should remove the square root. So removing the square root, we have to say log A to the power of 1 over 3. 1/3 and you are remove the square root. If one are 2, I have another square root, right? So according to my laws, this fraction in power A, you know, apply the logarithm. So 1 over 3, you know, apply log A. 1 over 3, I multiply log A. So 1 over 3, I multiply log A. Takuti susu, but you are given log A. Log A you are given is 3. So 1 over 3 multiplying log A. But log A is 3, so 1 over 3 is multiplied by 3, which is equals to 1. Right. Ndo mainly zvatinofanira kuziva pabasic yemalogarithms.